In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Steam password. Whether you want to update your password for security reasons or simply replace your current one with something easier to remember, Steam makes the process quick and straightforward. You can do this from the Steam application or the Steam website, and the steps are very similar. To get started, open Steam and sign into your account. Then, click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account Details. On the Account Details page, look over to the menu on the left and click on Security and Devices. This section contains the security settings for your Steam account. Scroll down until you find the Steam account section, then click Change Password to begin. Before Steam allows you to change your password, you'll need to verify your identity. If you have a phone number linked to your account, you can choose to receive a verification code by text message. If you don't have access to that number, you can instead choose to receive a verification code by email. If neither option is available, Steam provides additional account recovery options that you can follow. Once you've received the verification code, enter it into the verification field and continue. You'll now be able to create a new password. Enter your new password, then type it again to confirm it. Make sure you choose a strong password that's unique to your Steam account for better security. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, click Change Password to save your changes. Once the password has been updated successfully, you may be asked to sign back in using your new password. Simply log in again, and your Steam account will now be secured with your updated password. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Steam password and can continue using your account with your new login credentials.